today we're going to make some lemon drizzle cake. So what we need, ingredients wise, is we need butter, caster sugar, lemon, eggs and flour. Ideally self-raising flour, but shops have no self-raising, so I've got plain and some baking powder. Right, first off we need some butter, so we need 225 grams of butter cut up in a bowl, and to that we're going to be adding 225 grams of caster sugar. From there, what we need to do, we need to beat it all together until it's nice and soft and creamy. So keep breaking it down, getting it all together. Tip, get the butter out a few hours earlier than I did, because this is hard work. Okay, so change bowls because the other one wasn't big enough, now this one's giant. But you need it to come together, so if you look in here, it's coming together now and it needs to be creamy and pale. So keep going. Okay, so I think we're about there. That. So I'm going to change from my wooden spoon into a spatula now. And we need to add eggs. So one at a time, we've got 4 eggs. One at a time. Okay. Right, so the last egg's gone in and you should have a gooey mixture here now. It should look something like that now that all the eggs are in. Next you need 225 grams of self-raising flour. If you don't have self-raising flour, because I can't find anywhere to buy any, you can substitute it for plain flour with baking powder. The general rule is for every 100 grams of plain flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder. So we've got 225 grams, so that would be 1 teaspoon and a bit. So you need to sieve your flour in. Okay, you can stop them.
Yep.
Okay, right, so once that's all sieved in, teaspoon of baking powder. You don't want to put too much of this in because it makes it taste a bit funny. Okay, that. Nice folding. Right. Yeah, just fold all that in so it's all coming together. Okay, so to make this into lemon drizzle cake, we need some lemons. So what you need to do, get a grater, world's tiniest grater, and a lemon, and you're going to zest the lemon peel. 1 whole lemon peel. Okay, I've zested most of this lemon. You don't want to go down to the white because that makes it taste a bit horrible. So come and have a look in here. We've got our lemon zest. You want to mix all of that together. Oh, it smells amazing. Baking tin, I don't have a low tin, so this will do, and you need to grease it. So some of the butter that you've got left over from your butter you've used, just make sure you get in there and cover it all with butter. You don't want it to stick. Okay, so once you've got your tin greased, we're going to put our mixture in the tin. Make sure it's spread out in your tin. Yummy. Okay, so once it's in, we're going to put it in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes at 180 degrees. while your cake is in the oven, we're going to make the topping, so the drizzle part. So you need 85 grams of caster sugar and 1.5 lemons. However, our lemons are quite big, so I'm just going to use one. It doesn't even fit in my lemon squeezer. Oh, it's gone everywhere. Put the lemons into it. Just give it a good mix so it's all combined. And we'll need that when the cakes come out the oven. Oops. Use your oven gloves when you're taking it out the oven. It's very, very hot. So it's looking pretty good. To test it, take a skewer, stick it in. If it comes out clear, it looks like it's done. Right, so you need to have that skewer. While it's still hot, either with a skewer or with a fork, just put some holes in the cake. Okay, so give our mixture another mix up again, mix all. And we're going to evenly over the top of our cake. Right, drizzle it all around to make sure that it is all covered. It's going to go down into those holes that we made. Right, you need to be leaving this now for it to cool completely in the tin, and then once you get it out, it will be delicious